Are you struggling to find the motivation to study? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll uncover the ultimate study motivation guide that will help unleash your inner scholar. So, let's dive right in. First off, set clear goals for yourself. Having a clear vision of what you want to achieve will give you the drive and focus you need to succeed. Whether it's acing that test or earning top grades, keep your goals in mind throughout your study journey. Next, create a study routine that works for you. Establishing a consistent routine will train your brain to know it's time to focus. Find the best time of day when you are most alert and create a dedicated study space, free from distractions. Now, let's talk about motivation boosters. Get inspired by surrounding yourself with positive influences. Join a study group, connect with classmates who share your mindset, or follow motivational accounts on social media. Don't forget to take breaks. Research shows that short study breaks can actually enhance productivity. Reward yourself with a quick walk, a snack, or a power nap. Give your brain some time to recharge before diving back into your studies. Lastly, stay positive and stay persistent. Remember, studying is a journey, and setbacks are just bumps along the way. Believe in your abilities, and don't be too hard on yourself. So there you have it, the ultimate study motivation guide. Now, go out there and unleash your inner scholar. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Happy studying!